Thalia. I'm coming from Greece and I'm working in the educational institution of Ελληνογερμανική αγωγή, consisting of a school, an R&D department and a teacher's training center. My background is in science education, instructional design and curriculum development. I have been involved in the design and implementation of various STEM skills development and environmental education programs and activities, and worked for teachers training and upskilling. I enjoyed a lot all the activities of the Climate University, but the most important for me is that it brought together the scientific research community with the school education community, giving both sides the opportunity to exchange knowledge and ideas in order to increase our collective understanding of climate change education and strengthen the climate education community. The new activities for climate modeling, as well as those for envisioning the future. Inspiring.
Inspiring. Okay.